something I could never get it to do. Just have this turning to meet the line.
Rock and roll, working fine. Speed 25. That's what I'm talking about, the 75 millimeter course. So we don't have any problems with it, with the brake. Out of here of the gearbox, out of the chain, we get a little bit noise coming out, but I think the tensioner are a little bit too tight, but I will straighten that all out. The rubber roller, the tension roller is now working with the same speed, but it was not before either. So we have that one fixed by himself. So car is working fine. Second roll is fine.